Did you know some of the greatest inventions happened by total accident? Let me blow your mind with 10 amazing inventions. 1. Post-it notes. Spent silver at 3M accidentally made a weak adhesive instead. Art Fry used it to stick bookmarks in his hymnal, leading to the multi-billion-dollar post-it notes. 2. Chocolate chip cookies. Ruth Wakefield, owner of the Toll House Inn, left a cup of soda with a stirring stick outside in 1905. The next day, the first ever chocolate chip cookies were born. Sometimes, forgetting things can lead to great inventions. 3. Telephone. Alexander Graham Bell was not trying to make a telephone, but a telegraph. One day, he accidentally called out to his assistant, Thomas Watson, and Watson heard through his device. The telephone was born in 1876. 4. Coca-Cola. In 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton spilled a cup of soda with a stirring stick outside and got an unexpected result. The next morning, he invented the first ever soft drink, Coca-Cola. 5. Eraser. People used breadcrumbs to erase pencil marks before 1770. Edward Nairn accidentally picked up rubber instead, and it worked much better. A small mistake that erased breadcrumbs from history. 6. Popsicle. In the 1930s, Frank Epperson left a cup of soda with a stirring stick outside on a freezing night. The next morning, the first ever popsicle. Sometimes, mistakes lead to great outcomes. 7. Artificial sweetener. Chemist Konstantin Fallberg discovered saccharin in 1879 through an awkward mistake. He forgot to wash his hands after working in the lab and tasted the sweetness from eating bread, a sweet lab mistake. 8. Potato chips. In the 1880s, George Crumb, a chef in New York, made thin potatoes crispy and added salt. He named it after the chip-eating customer he had. Potato chips were born. 9. Chewing gum. Thomas Adams chewed on leftover chicle from an experiment he was doing. He added flavors and modern chewing gum was born. 10. Microwave oven. Percy Spencer created the first microwave oven while working on radar technology in 1945. He accidentally melted a candy bar and hitched a ride on the melted candle project. Crazy, right? From post-it notes to chocolate chip cookies, these accidental inventions prove that mistakes can lead to genius. Which story blew your mind the most? Comment below and subscribe for more surprising facts.